Hey everyone, this is my first video on YouTube and today let's talk about GST, Goods and Services Tax, in a simple way. So let's start. The first point is importance of GST. GST replaces multiple indirect taxes, making taxation simpler and business friendly. Right. Now the point is cascading effect. Earlier taxes were charged on top of taxes. GST removes the burden, reducing the cost. Features of GST: it destination based, has 4 tax slabs and allows input tax credit, which is called ITC, making taxation fair. Now the types of GST. Basically there are 3 types of GST, which is SGST, CGST and IGST, and some other important topic is UTGST. Okay, now the point is GST registration and aggregate turnover. Business with turnover above 40 lakh and 20 lakh in some states must register for GST. Aggregate turnover includes all taxable, exempt and export sales. Hope this was helpful. Like, share and subscribe.